Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to claim medical expenses in TurboTax step by step so you don't miss eligible deductions. First, sign into your account and open your current tax return. From the main dashboard, go to the Deductions and Credits section and look for medical expenses. Select it and start entering your qualified costs. Include expenses like doctor visits, prescriptions, hospital bills, dental care, and insurance premiums you paid out of pocket. Make sure you only enter amounts you actually paid and that were not reimbursed. TurboTax will ask follow-up questions to determine if your expenses meet the deduction threshold based on your income. Answer these carefully and honestly. As you continue, the system will calculate what portion of your medical costs can be deducted. Take time to review every entry for accuracy. Once everything is complete, confirm the summary and your medical expense deduction will be successfully applied to your return. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.